In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit money into GatesFX. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to GatesFX.com. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account, or if you don't already have an account, you'll need to register for one. Then from here, it should look something like this inside the dashboard. Here, you'll need to go over to the menu and click Funds and click Deposit Funds. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see there's 3 steps. There's initial information, transfer this information, and confirmation. From here, you'll need to go down to deposit to, and then you can choose between your wallet or any of your accounts that you want to add the funds over to. And then from here, you can select deposit form, and here you can select crypto. From here, you'll need to click continue. And then from here, you'll need to select how much crypto you want to add into your funds. So let's just choose $100. But then you can see here the credited amount will be $100. From here, you can choose the currency, which will either be Ethereum, TRX, USDT, USDC, or Bitcoin. Let's just choose USDT for now, and then click continue. From here, you can see an overview of your transfer details. Then click continue. Then from here you will get this page right here, where you can see you'll have an address down here that you can send the money to, and you can see the specific amount that you want to send over to GatesFX. From here you can copy a link, or you can use the QR code down here and scan it directly inside of your crypto wallet app. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!